Hello everyone, I am Rajesh Bhaktavachalam from my digital brand. Today I have short and crisp video which explains how to add end screen to YouTube videos. End screens are a crucial tool for YouTubers to engage their audience, promote their content, and encourage further interaction with their channel. Placed at the conclusion of a video, end screens provide viewers with subscribe to your channel or visit external links. Let's get started without wasting any time. Go to YouTube and sign into your account and select the video you want to add end screen. Click on the video you want to edit to open its settings. Select Editor. In the left sidebar, click on Editor. Click plus icon in end screen can start adding elements such as apply template, videos, playlists, subscribe buttons. I am selecting apply template. Select the layout that suits your preferences and fits your video's content. I am selecting first option, import from latest video option. Adjust the timing of when the end screen appears in your video. Usually it's advised to add for last 5 seconds. Once you're satisfied with your end screen setup, click the Save or Save Publish button to apply the changes to your video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.